Hey guys, today we're checking out stock number 301674, and this is a 2024 Sierra 1500 crew cab AT4. Our color is onyx black. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, so we have power windows, mirrors, folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver seat and lumbar support. We've got our parking brake 4x4 controls, interior and exterior, lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got our push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control, and hill descent control. A couple USB charging ports, an automatic transmission, trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready. Got our sunroof controls, our window controls, and garage door openers, and our interior color is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated, a couple of USB charging ports for your rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. And moving on to our exterior, we've got our running boards, 18-inch GMC rims, AT4 mud flaps, tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera, which is also fog released, a spray-on box liner, there you have it, guys. That is stock number 301674. You've just checked out this onyx black 2024 Sierra 1500 crew cab AT4. Thanks for watching.